Hello students, I am Zarin Mula from SJM College Karad. We have started the chapter Power Supplies. In the previous lecture what we have seen the block diagram of last bit of block diagram of power supply. What was the last bit of the power supply diagram? First diagram, in the diagram, first block was transformer, second block was rectifier, third block was filter, and last block was the regulator. So in the previous lecture we have seen the characteristics of IV characteristics of Zener diode and its circuit diagram and its working. We have seen. So why there is a need of regulator? That also we have seen. So why there is a need of regulator? To regulate the output voltage. See, if you want to play some song, then if that song is not clear, it is not disturbed, it is disturbed or it is attenuated, then what happened in that song? The clear AC or clear DC is not there. This pure DC voltage or regulated DC voltage is not there. You first of all clear the concept of regulation. Okay, what happened in the rectifier? AC is converted into DC. Still there is some amount of AC, that is called ripple. Ripple is there. If ripple is there in the signal, then we not clear the signal. We not hear the signal clearly. Some disturbance is there. That signal is not pure DC signal. Okay, so to regulate that signal, if we are getting the signal from MACB, that voltage is how much? 230 volt. So it is not exact 230 volt. There is a variation in that voltage. It starts from, if it is 230 volt, it may be 229, 228, or it may be 233. So there is a variation. It is not constant in the input. In the variation in the input and load resistance is also in the variation form. Then also we have to we want the output voltage as a constant voltage. So that is the regulator. Okay. If what was the circuit diagram for regulated is unregulated supply, unregulated, then series resistance was used, and then what Zener diode was used there, and we are getting the output across this load resistance RL, where the DC output was there. Okay, so this Zener diode is work in the reverse bias form. Okay, that we have seen in the last lecture. In that last lecture, we have seen the expression for Zener diode as a voltage regulator. From that voltage regulator, we have seen the examples. These examples has asked on that point. Okay. So what was the formula? Current IS is equal to Vs minus Vz upon Rl. On that formulas or on that concept, three sums has asked, examples has asked, that we have to going to see today. Okay. So first example is what? See, this circuit diagram is given. The voltage variation is given. The voltage is varied from 20 volt to 30 volt, and then RS is there. That RS is connected is 670 ohm, which is in series with this voltage. Then Zener diode is connected, and we are getting the output here. So this diagram is given, and in this diagram, what is given here? The Zener regulator shown in the figure, means this figure, has Vz. Vz means what? Zener voltage. How much it is giving? 15 volt. Then calculate. What we have to calculate? First is the minimum and maximum Zener current. Means what? Minimum Zener current Iz and maximum Zener current Iz. First we have to calculate the Zener current of minimum and maximum. So the minimum and maximum Zener current if Zener resistance means R is 6 ohm, then calculate. Again second is asked, what you have to calculate? The change in Zener voltage. Means what? Change in Zener voltage means what? Delta Vz. Change in Zener voltage. When the source voltage changes from 20 volt to 30 volt. What is given? Source voltage is means this source one. Its variation is from 20 volt to 30 volt. When source voltage is varies from, yes, how much it is? 20 volt to 30 volt. So we have to solve it now. Okay, all of you understand the example problem? What is given? This variation is given, RS is given, okay, and what is given? 6 ohm resistance is given. See here. So in the given we have written here the Vz, that is 15 volt. Then RS is how much? 670 ohm, and this R is given here 6 ohm. Now the solution, see here. The solution, what happened? Iz minimum value we have to take. What is the minimum value? Is the 20. Okay. So how can we calculate? Iz minimum is equal to this Vi. See here. Iz minimum is equal to this. Minimum value is 20 volt minus Vz is given 15 volt, then divided by its Rs is how much? 670 ohm. So 20 minus 15 volt divided by 670 ohm. 20 ohm minus 15 ohm divided by 670 ohm. It is how much? 7.462 milliampere. Okay, it's so simple. First minimum value is given, therefore you have to take minimum value from this variation. If maximum is asked, you have to take the maximum value from the variation. So what is the maximum value? It is 30 volt minus 15 volt is fixed, given here. Vz, that is 15 volt, and is how much? 670 ohm. So this much is what? 22.388 milliampere. Okay. So this is what? Vs minus Vz upon Rs. This is what? Vs is how much? Source voltage. Vz is the, yes, Zener voltage divided by Rs. This formula is what? Vs, I'll write it here, minus Vz divided by Rs. Where Is minimum source current or maximum source current. Okay. So this formula is Is equal to Vs minus Vz divided by Rs. Okay. This one has completed. What is completed? Minimum and maximum Zener current. Minimum Zener current is how much? 7.462 milliampere. And maximum Zener current is how much? 22.388 milliampere. Okay. So what is the second one? The change in Zener voltage. We have to calculate what? Change in Zener voltage. Vz means what? Delta means change. This is what? Change in Zener voltage is equal to, what is this? Delta Iz. I means current. Means what? This is change in Zener current. Zener current minus, see, sorry, not minus, into dot Rz means what? Is the, yes, Zener resistance. Zener resistance. What we have to calculate? Delta Vz is equal to change in Zener current. How we can know the change in Zener current. Maximum value of Zener current minus minimum value of the Zener current is the change in Zener current. So current varies from minimum to maximum. So maximum value of the current is how much it is? 22.38 minus, it is in milliampere, minus this one 7.462 into 10 raised to minus 3 into this is how much? It is Zener resistance is given, that is 6 ohm. Okay, so this is how much it is? 0.08956 volt. Delta Z is equal to is 0.08956. You have to calculate all these things with help of log table. Okay, so you cannot directly write the answers. Solve with the help of log table. See the log of this, addition, and then anti-log, and you have to write the answer. Okay, that procedure you have seen in the 11th standard. So directly I am writing the answer. See here, what is asked? Zener, change in Zener voltage is asked, that is delta Vz is asked. Change in current into resistance. The formula of the delta Vz or change in Zener voltage is what? Change in Zener current into resistance. It is simply V is equal to I into R, isn't it? It is what? V is equal to I into R. But all this is about Zener diode. Therefore, it is Z is given. Okay, so you know all these formulas. So V equal to I, you know this formula, this Ohm law. Then Vz is equal to Iz into Rz. Iz means what? Delta. Iz means what? Delta is the change. Then change in voltage. Delta is the change in current. Change in current means what? Maximum current minus minimum current. So maximum current we have taken here as a 22.388 milliampere. Minimum current we have taken is the 7.462 milliampere. Okay. So we have to take the difference of this into 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore we have taken it into 6 ohm. So how much it is? 0.08956 volt. Okay. So this is what the change in Zener voltage, that is Vz. Okay. Now see the second example what is given. Zener diode having breakdown voltage. You know breakdown voltage? What was the graph for Zener? We have seen. Yes, Zener only work in the which region? Yes, there are 3 types of region: forward region, leakage region, and breakdown region. So diode works, Zener diode works only in the breakdown region that we have seen from 0 to, yes, like this we have seen. This is the sharp mean, isn't it? This was current I, this was voltage V. Okay, so this is the forward region, this is the leakage region, and this is the breakdown region. This was what? Vz, that is the voltage, constant voltage, where the current is Iz. Start from 0 to breakdown voltage is the leakage current is there. Okay, so this diode is work in the breakdown voltage, breakdown region. Okay, so what is given here? That breakdown voltage is how much? 30 volt. That breakdown voltage is how much? It is 30 volt. Series resistance is of how much? It is 1.5 kilo ohm. Series resistance means what? Is the RS. Okay, and 30 volt is what? The source resistance. And what is given? See, load resistance means RL is given. How much it is? 2 kilo ohm. And Vz is given, that is the 10 volt. Calculate, what we have to calculate now? Load current. calculate load current, that is IL, and Zener diode current. What we have to calculate first is load current and Zener diode current. So for Zener diode current, see what is given, Is is equal to Vs minus Vz upon Rs. Okay. So what is the value of Vs? It is the 30 volt minus, what is the value of Vz? It is given here, the 10 volt divided by Rs is given, how much it is? 1.5 kilo ohm. Kilo means how much? 10 raised to 3 ohm. So the value of this is, how much it is? 13.33 milliampere. Okay, so this 10 raised to 3 will come up, 10 raised to minus 3. So 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 divided by 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 is how much? 13.33 milliampere. Okay, so this is the first current, that is the source current. Is is given. Then what we have to calculate? IL is equal to PL upon RL. So what is the VL? VL is nothing but our Vz. Okay, so VL is how much it is? 10 volt divided by RL is given. How much is RL? 2 into 10 raised to 3. So it is 10 raised to 3 will go up and it is 5 milliampere. Okay, so IL is what? It is 5 milliampere. Isn't it? Next, what is asked? Zener diode current. See, we know the relation Is is equal to Iz plus IL. Isn't it? Is equal to Iz plus IL. But what is asked? Iz is asked, I think. Zener diode current is asked. Zener diode current means what? Iz is asked. So Iz is equal to what? Iz is equal to this Is minus IL. Isn't it? Is minus IL. So what is Is now? We have calculated here. Is is, Is is equal to 13.33 milliampere, means 10 raised to minus 3 minus, what is IL we have calculated here is the 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So how much is the value? It is 8.33 milliampere. This is what Iz. Okay. So Zener diode current, you can write it here. Zener diode current is 8.33 milliampere. And what is asked? Load current, that is IL. We can write here load current is 5 milliampere. Okay. So this has asked like this. So we know this formula in the previous lecture we have seen in the what? Zener voltage regulator. So Zener voltage regulator, what we have seen, the current Is is equal to Vs minus Vz upon Rs. So minimum current is what? Minimum value is given, maximum value is given. From that we have to calculate the minimum current and maximum current. Then there is a change in voltage. Change in voltage is nothing but simply I into R, that is current into resistance. So change in current into this given resistance, Zener resistance. The change in Zener current is how much it is? Maximum value minus minimum value, I have to take it here. Then into this resistance. Then what we have to, we get the values here is the 0.8956 volt for the change in voltage. That is asked. Zener voltage, the change in Zener voltage, you can write it here. The change in Zener voltage is, the change in is how much? 0.8956 volt. Okay, this one. And you can write the minimum value. What is asked? Minimum Zener current. Minimum Zener current is how much it is? 7.462 milliampere, and maximum Zener current is how much it is? Yes, 22.388 milliampere. Okay, such type of examples may be asked. It has asked already. That's why I have given it here. It's very simple. Just you have to remember the formulas. What the formula? Is equal to Vs minus Vz. The same formula we have used here. Vs minus Vz upon Rs. Okay. So this you know already. V equal to I into R. That is the Vz is equal to delta Vz is equal to delta I is equal to R. Okay. So this is what I is equal to V upon R. It's simply I is equal to what? V upon R. So this is load current, therefore IL is equal to VL upon RL is given. Okay. So this source resistance is what? Zener current and this load current that we have seen in the previous lecture of circuit diagram of block diagram. What we have seen is the unregulated power supply was there, isn't it? And one resistance is connected, then one Zener diode was there, and one load resistance was there, isn't it? So this is Rs that we are getting voltage source Vs here, and this is the Vz. From this, which current flow from here? Rs, Is is there. Here is the Iz is there, and therefore IL is there. So this source resistance is what? Is is equal to Iz plus IL. This plus this is what? The Is current. Okay. So this is the examples that we have solved it